If your cocktail game looks like a desert without Cointreau, you're a thirsty explorer. Let's dive into some juicy substitutes. Cointreau is that zesty orange-flavored liqueur that makes drinks like margaritas and sidecars shine. But let's be real, it's pricey and sometimes hard to find. First up, Grand Marnier. This French cousin mixes brandy with orange flavor, giving your cocktails a rich, smooth twist. Then there's Triple Sec. It's lighter, sweeter, and way easier on the wallet. Perfect for those classic cocktails. Don't forget about Curaçao. It's vibrant and fruity, bringing a splash of color and flavor to your glass. And for something unique, try Dry Orange Curaçao. It's got a more complex profile that'll make your drinks pop. Mix, sip, and enjoy. Now you're ready to shake up some fabulous cocktails without breaking the bank. Cheers!